Food habits of animals. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Different animals eat different kinds of food.
Dear students, welcome to 6th standard science class. So last class we studied about sources of food. Okay, and we studied that plants they do perform photosynthesis and they prepare their own food. So plants are called autotrophs. Today we are going to study food habits in animals. Okay, you might have seen some animals they eat grass, some animals they eat meat, some animals they eat both grass and meat. Okay, so different animals eat different types of foods. Okay, so first of all, herbivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals which eat grass. They are called herbivores. Okay, for example, can you give example? Cow, goat, buffalo. These are the examples for the herbivores. Okay, so what is herbivore?
Herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Buffaloes, cows, deer, horses are herbivorous animals. They have sharp cutting teeth in front and flat grinding teeth at the back.
Some animals they eat meat of or flesh of other animal like lion, tiger, leopard. Oh my god. They eat flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. Okay. Example lion, tiger. Carnivores. So carnivores, these animals they eat flesh or meat of other animals. Okay. So what is carnivore?
Carnivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals. Lions, tigers, wolves, dogs, snakes, eagles, and vultures. Animals have long, sharp teeth. Birds have strong pointed beaks to tear the flesh.
If you see lion teeth, it is very sharp, so they can eat flesh very easily. And some birds they have strong beak, so they can eat flesh very easily. Okay, so carnivorous animals they have sharp teeth. But some animals they eat both plants and meat. They are called omnivores.
Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals, they are called omnivores. Example, human, crow, and bear.
Some carnivores and also some omnivores they are known as scavengers. Scavengers. Scavengers means these animals they clean the surroundings. Okay, they eat dead bodies of other animals and they make clean. So they are called scavengers. This vulture, hyena, these animals they are scavengers. They eat dead bodies and they clean that area. So they are called scavengers.
Scavengers. Some carnivores and omnivores consume dead bodies of animals and help to keep the surroundings clean. Example, crow, jackals, hyenas, and vultures.
Some animal they depend other animal for food is called parasite. Parasite. So what is parasite? The animal which depend other living animal for food. For example, mosquito. Mosquito they have, suppose, and this mosquito, they have long beak, long pipe like structure. Using this they take blood from our body. So mosquito is a parasite. Okay, and you know leech and fleas, these are also take blood from our body. They are parasites. And also hookworm, roundworm, they are found inside our body and they take digested food materials from our body. They are also called parasites. So what is parasite?
Parasites. These are small organisms that depend on other living animals for food. Mosquitoes live on blood that they suck from humans and other animals. A mosquito has a long, sharp pipe instead of teeth, which is used to pierce the skin and suck the blood. Leech, fleas, and bugs are also other parasites. Some parasites, such as tapeworm, roundworm, and hookworm, live inside the bodies of animals and eat the food has been digested by animals.
Next we are going to look on the food chain. So what is food chain actually? Food chain means, for example, did you see grasshopper? The green colored insect? The grasshopper, what they will do? They eat grasses. Okay, grasshopper, they eat grass, and this frog is coming and this frog eat this grasshopper. Okay, then after some time snake is coming and the snake eat this frog. Then after some time eagles come and this eagle come and eat our snake. Okay, so each organisms, they eat other organism as their food and they form like a chain. That is called food chain. So this is an example for food chain. So first of all, grass. So who is eating grass? Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Then frog. Then snake. Then eagle. Okay. So this series of events is called food chain. Grass is the food of grasshopper. Grasshopper is the food of frog, and frog is the food of snake, and snake is the food of eagle. Okay, so this series of event, a series of chain is called food chain. It is like a chain. Each organism, animal, they depend other animal for their food. If frog is missing, what happens? This chain will break. Really? Snake, they cannot eat grasshopper, or eagle, they cannot eat grasshopper. So if frog present, then this chain is complete. Okay, this is called food chain. Can you give another example? Yes, you know, grass. Grass eaten by rabbit. Then rabbit eaten by lion. One example. Then any other example? Yes, other example, grass, deer, then deer eaten by tiger. So you try to make like this more examples. Okay, so this is about food chain. So if you observe this food chain, you can see Plants, they are very important. If there is no plants, this food chain is not complete. Okay, that is an important point here. Plants are important for food chain. If there is no plant, food chain is not complete. It means that all animals depend plants directly or indirectly. You see here, deer, they need grass or plant as a food. Okay, then how tiger depend on grass? If grass is not available, deer, they will not get food. So deer number will be very less. So what happens? Tiger, they won't get deer because their deer number is very low. So if there is more grass, there will be more deer. So tiger can hunt deer. Understood? Same like here. If there is no grass, number of rabbit will be very less. So tiger, lion, they won't get food. Okay. So if there is grass there available, rabbit number will increase and lion can hunt more rabbit. So all animals indirectly or directly depend plants.